happen. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it. Hey.
Alright y'all, so this video is just an update on my third week wolf. I believe this is my third week. Today's Sunday. Started my third week's wolf, you know. And we're not that far along, but just a little update for y'all. So I'm just gonna tell y'all a little something about what I'm gonna be doing on the third week going on to the fourth week, right? So I have a little bit of hair now, you know, a lot more than I did, you know, the last couple of weeks. So what I'm gonna be using now, the brushes I'm gonna be using are definitely going to be my hard brush. I'm putting in the hard brush now. I feel like I have enough hair to start using the hard brush. So the hard brush is now in the rotation, so now my brush session is gonna be a lot longer. I'm gonna be co-washing a lot more now that I have a lot of hair, so I gotta get some conditioner so I can co-wash a lot more. Y'all saw that video I uploaded yesterday about co-washing. Alright, so I'm gonna try to stay away from shampoo as much as possible. I'm gonna do that little experiment and I'm gonna see, you know, what I learned from it. Next brush, this brush is always in a rotation. This is my medium brush. I'm always using this medium brush, even if I have a 1.5, 2, I'm always using this medium brush. Now that I'm 3 weeks wolfing, this brush is gonna be the main brush as always, but this is also in a rotation, but I'm not gonna be using this as much because if you use it a lot with your hair being short, you know, it's not your scalp's not gonna be able to handle it. For me, I'm gonna use this about twice a week, all right, into my rotation. And then next up, we got the medium soft. You know, I always use this medium soft. And then the king of all brushes, which is the soft brush. All right, this is gonna be my best friend to lay my hair down, and also the plastic bag. Another thing I'm gonna be doing is the hot towel method, so I can open up my pores and get the conditioner, and you feel me? But I'm not gonna do the hot towel method, you know, as much as I did when I got my cut, because I used to do it like 3 times a week. You know, I used to condition my hair 3 times a week. But if I co-wash like all the time, I won't need to do the hot towel method because I'm gonna co-wash with warm water and my pores will be open, and then I can condition my hair with the conditioner, and that is where you get co-washing. Alright, I'm also thinking about making a video of how I co-wash my hair, but first I want to experiment it first to, you know, get it down packed before I give out the information to you guys. Of course, you guys should already know the leave-in conditioner I'm gonna be using is this, by 26 King Wavy. This is going to be my leave-in conditioner for this wolf session. Alright, the conditioner I'm going to be using for my co-washes yet, I do not know yet because I'm going shopping for that soon. But I'm going to get into the goal of this wolf session. Alright, I'm about to go into this wolf session and I'm going to let you guys know what my goal is to get out of this wolf session. Alright, so if you guys want to wolf, you have to go into the wolf session with a goal. And your #1 goal should be to brush every single day. No lacking, none of that. Because if you lack at brushing during your wolf, then you will lose progress instead of gaining progress. So my goal for this wolf session will be to break this fork that I have up here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a fork right here. It's starting to break. After I got my haircut, it started to break, but this wolf session is just gonna knock it out the way because I'm gonna be really focused on that spot right there. All right, so right here, and I have another fork right here, and I'm trying to break it, and I have another one right here. This fork was back there, and it's moving up. Something you guys should know about forks is if you're trying to break a fork, the fork is gonna move. So if you break it from here, it's gonna move to over here. It's gonna move all across your head until it disappears. All right, so that's why it takes so long to get rid of forks. Yeah, that's really basically what I'm going to be working on for this wolf session. And I'm also gonna work on my crown. Somebody, one of my subscribers, Real TV Content, Real TV Gamer, he told me that my crown looks like it's starting to swirl. And I didn't realize that until he told me, because I was really trying to focus on getting that beehive straight. But my crown, I don't know if it's starting to swirl. Let me know in the comments, guys, what you guys think about my crown. You know, I'm trying to close that, you know, just by isolating my crown. I did the crown isolation method. I did a video on that. You guys go check that out. And hopefully that video helps you guys with your crown. You know, crown isolation is really important to closing your crown. Guys, so let me tell you guys how long I want to wolf. Let me look at my calendar real quick. I started wolfing 2 weeks ago. This is just the 3rd week of wolfing. So I'm thinking about getting a haircut February 1st. Alright, so I'm trying to go 8 weeks wolfing. So February 1st will be around 8 weeks, and February 1st is, you know, it's like a typical date to set like an end goal for me. So I'm just gonna cut my hair February 1st. So mark your calendars. The cut will be February 1st, 2020. Hopefully my hair is better than it's looking now. Alright, hopefully my waves are intact. You know, everywhere they're supposed to be, all the forks are gone. You know, it's gonna be a long 2 months, man, because we got January, and then we got February 1st when I will be cutting the wolf. So we got the end of this month, and then we got a whole month of January, you know, to work. So I'm gonna be really putting in the work, you feel me, to break those forks. And you guys are gonna go on a journey with me because I'm gonna be posting like every day. All right, I'm gonna be grinding, man. 2020 is my year. 50K by summer, that's the goal. And 100K by 2021 summer. Alright, so we on the grind, we keep grinding. Let's hit 20K real soon. Alright, so that's basically it for this video, man. Just a little update on the wolf. 3 weeks in, 8 weeks wolf, that's the goal. 3 weeks in, 5 more weeks to go. January 1st is the cut. So hey man, ain't nothing to it, man. This light work. I did 14 weeks before, 8 weeks in none. Alright, so let's get it. If y'all wanna wolf with me, man. But I'm about to end this little video with a brush session. Alright, so yeah.